This is a plant that both butterflies and gardeners love, and there's a lot to talk about with this plant. It's really cool. This plant is called yarrow or Achillea, and we're gonna get back to why it's called Achillea because that alone makes this plant really cool. Now, yarrow is a really cool plant because there's yarrow found all over the northern hemisphere. There are species that are native to Europe and Asia and North America, and it does really well in a wide range of conditions. It's typically found in grasslands and prairies in full sun, but it can also tolerate partial shade. The foliage is really cool because it looks like feathers or ferns, and it's very soft. It's also kind of fragrant once you disturb the leaves. Some varieties even have fragrant flowers, like this one. These days, there are a bunch of different colors and sizes available depending on what you're wanting in your garden. So you've got white, yellow, different shades of orange, pinks, and reds now with yarrow. Butterflies and other pollinators go crazy for this plant. What's really cool is it's a cluster of small flowers, but they kind of form this flat platform. So it's really easy for the pollinators to land on top of that platform and then just feed on flower to flower to flower as they move across. It's also been used medicinally as a medicinal herb for things like fevers, gastrointestinal issues, and menstrual issues. Now, the genus Achillea actually refers to Achilles, the Greek warrior, who has supposedly used this to help treat wounds on his soldiers on the battlefield. I've heard it can be chewed up and applied to cuts as an antiseptic when you are in a pinch. It's also known for being deer resistant, and there are varieties that grow in zones 3 through 9, so a huge part of the world. Definitely a good one for adding into that perennial garden.